For the third straight year, the Florence-Carlton School's Junior Rocky Mountain Ecosystems class gets out of the class for a hands-on experience working with the Clark Fork Coalition on a restoration project on Lolo Creek, sections affected by the big Lolo Creek fire 4 years ago.
MTN's Russ Thomas has more on today's visit.
In 2015, Florence-Carlton juniors and seniors began a project that aimed to stabilize the Lolo Creek stream bank along the area impacted by the 2013 Lolo Creek complex fire. The goal is to prevent erosion and filter sediment from the creek. This is the second year they have gone back to the site to analyze how the project is going. This gives them the opportunity to get out of the classroom and into a hands-on setting.
They scratch the bark, see if there's some green cambium underneath, check the leaves. They'll be noting species of plant, and also comparing those numbers to last year's survival rate.
For the 20-plus students involved in the restoration project, there is a sense of pride in helping the Clark Fork Coalition with this project. Students are curious about what impact our dry, smoky summer had on vegetation growth.
I really want to learn about how the trees are doing and how they're growing and stuff. I think that's really interesting to see how the whole this whole area, how it's so affected, how it is going to come back.
Rocky Mountain Ecosystems teacher Vanessa Hafley works closely with the Clark Fork Coalition to make this joint effort happen.
Not only do they get to be involved in watershed restoration and kind of get that sense of community, but they're also learning a lot of those methods that scientists use to analyze how well a stream is going through restoration.
Students spent several hours collecting data, including checking survival rates, taking photos, and collecting water samples at 4 separate sites within a mile-wide area. The Clark Fork Coalition project manager says the data they collect goes directly to the Department of Environmental Quality.
Everything that they're doing, this is not an exercise, this is real-world stuff, and I think it's some really good experience for them.
This is the final year the students will be collecting data. They feel that the work they have put in will have a positive long-term impact on the ecosystem. Outside of Lolo, Russ Thomas, MTN.